Ever wonder how accurate a financial forecast really is? The coefficient of determination, or R-squared, is the key statistic used to measure that. In finance, we often call this R-squared. It tells you how much of the movement in one variable is explained by another. The value sits between 0 and 1. A score closer to 1 means your model is a great fit for the data. It is essentially a tool for reliability. It helps analysts determine if a trend is actually meaningful or just random noise. Don't confuse it with correlation. While correlation shows the direction of a relationship, R-squared shows how much of the variance is actually accounted for. In this example, the market model has a high R-squared, suggesting it is a robust way to explain price changes. Always remember that just because data fits a model well, it does not mean one variable is causing the other. Understanding statistics helps you make sense of market reports. Subscribe for more financial basics and hit that like button if this helped.